a real citizen and go to work, and like what it's like to help everybody and be in charge of paying everybody.
Welcome to Junior Achievement, this amazing facility where students step out of the classroom and into the real world, where they learn to excel personally and professionally. Come and get involved in the Junior Achievement experience. You won't be sorry.
Junior Achievement is training our next generation of business leaders, employees, and consumers by educating our students in financial literacy, entrepreneurship, and work readiness.
My role today was math. So I gave out goodie bags to everyone first. Second, I went to vote. And then third, I went to go get a health check at Children's Hospital. I would actually like to be mayor. It seems like pretty fun. And I get to help people, so that's basically what I do.
Junior Achievement of South Florida is dedicated to helping our young people prepare for the future. We focus on workforce readiness and employment, career exploration, financial literacy, and entrepreneurship. So we want to make sure that they have the ability, the skills, and the confidence to navigate the future. It's important not only for each student to build their confidence and to figure out what the future looks like, right? It's something that they all stress about, but it's also important for our community and our local economy. We need to build the next workforce.
You can help shape the future of our youth. Volunteer your time. Become a mentor. Creek cares. Together, we can change lives.